Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that might seem counterintuitive at first, using debt to build wealth. Debt itself isn't inherently good or bad. It's a tool, and just like any tool, it can be used constructively or destructively. Think of it like a hammer. You can use it to build a house, or you can use it to smash your thumb. The key is understanding how to use it effectively. We're going to explore 15 smart ways you can leverage debt to potentially grow your wealth. So let's get started. One of the most common and potentially lucrative ways to build wealth is by investing in real estate. Leverage mortgage debt to acquire income-producing assets. With a small down payment, get a loan for most of the property's value. Build equity and generate passive income by renting out the property. Research the market for strong rental demand and appreciation. Done right, real estate can be a powerful wealth-building tool. Now let's talk about something crucial for long-term wealth investing in yourself. Use debt strategically for degrees with high returns. Think computer science, engineering, healthcare. These fields offer competitive salaries. Education is an investment in your future. Understand the job market and align with your goals. New skills and certifications boost earning power. For many entrepreneurs, debt is a necessary tool for getting a business off the ground or taking it to the next level. Small business loans provide funding for startup costs, equipment, and working capital. The key is a rock-solid business plan. Lenders want to see your business model and revenue projections. Another option is leveraging business credit lines. These work like a revolving credit account, giving you access to funds as needed. Weigh the risks and rewards, have a solid repayment plan, and ensure you can cover debt payments and still turn a profit. Let's talk about a strategy to handle your debt and save money: debt consolidation. Combine multiple high-interest debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate. This reduces monthly payments and saves on interest charges. Be disciplined, avoid old habits, and get a fresh start on your finances. Let's discuss a risky but rewarding strategy: using debt to invest. One method is margin investing, borrowing from your brokerage to buy stocks. This can amplify returns if the market rises, but magnifies losses if it falls. Leveraged ETFs also use debt to boost returns. Understand the risks and have a solid strategy. In some cases, it might make sense to consider using a low-interest personal loan to invest. If you can secure a personal loan at a very low interest rate and you're confident that you can generate a higher return on your investments, it could potentially be a strategic move. For example, you might use a personal loan to diversify your investment portfolio, invest in a promising startup, or even purchase a rental property. However, this strategy requires careful consideration and analysis. You need to be absolutely certain that the potential returns outweigh the risks and that you have a solid plan for repaying the loan. It's about being strategic with your finances and exploring all available options to potentially grow your wealth over the long term. Now, let's bring it back to real estate for a moment and talk about a smart way to use debt to potentially increase the value of your home: strategic renovations. I'm talking about renovations that add real value to your home, like kitchen and bathroom remodels, energy-efficient upgrades, or even adding square footage. These types of renovations can not only make your home more enjoyable to live in, but they can also significantly increase its market value. It's essential to do your research. Choose projects that have a high return on investment in your area, and work with reputable contractors who can deliver quality work within your budget. Strategic renovations can translate into a nice return on your investment when it comes time to sell. Did you know that you can actually use your existing assets as leverage to secure loans with more favorable terms? That's right. Assets like stocks, bonds, or even real estate can be used as collateral to obtain secured loans. Because these loans are backed by collateral, lenders typically view them as less risky and are often willing to offer lower interest rates compared to unsecured loans. This can be a smart way to access funds for investments, consolidate debt, or even finance major purchases. However, it's important to remember that using assets as collateral does come with risks. Carefully consider the risks and rewards, make sure you have a solid plan for repayment, and understand the potential consequences if you're unable to meet your financial obligations. Now let's talk about a way to potentially benefit from credit cards without paying a dime in interest. Utilizing credit card rewards strategically. Many credit cards offer enticing rewards programs, from cashback and travel points to airline miles and hotel stays. By using your credit card for everyday purchases and paying off your balance in full each month, you can rack up these rewards without incurring any interest charges. The key here is to be disciplined and avoid overspending. Make sure you're choosing cards with rewards programs that align with your spending habits and financial goals. For many professionals and business owners, having the right equipment is essential for generating income. Whether it's a state-of-the-art camera for a photographer, specialized tools for a contractor, or industrial machinery for a manufacturer, these assets can be crucial for productivity and success. In these cases, taking out an equipment loan can be a smart investment. By investing in high-quality equipment, you can potentially increase your earning potential, improve the quality of your work, and even expand your service offerings. Just make sure to factor in the cost of the loan payments into your budget, and ensure that the investment aligns with your long-term business goals. For businesses that rely on selling physical products, managing inventory is crucial for success. Having enough inventory on hand to meet customer demand is essential, but it can also tie up a significant amount of cash flow. That's where inventory financing comes in. These loans are specifically designed to help businesses purchase inventory, especially in bulk or during peak seasons. By leveraging inventory financing, businesses can free up cash flow, take advantage of volume discounts, and ensure they have enough product on hand to meet customer demand. When used strategically, inventory financing can be a valuable tool for business growth. In today's competitive business landscape, effective marketing is essential for attracting customers and driving sales. But launching successful marketing campaigns can require a significant financial investment. These loans are designed to provide businesses with the capital they need to fund their marketing efforts, whether it's developing a new website, launching a social media advertising campaign, or attending industry trade shows. By investing in strategic marketing initiatives, businesses can potentially increase brand awareness, reach a wider audience, and ultimately drive more sales. It's crucial to have a well-defined marketing plan in place and to track the return on investment for all marketing activities. For aspiring entrepreneurs, purchasing a franchise can be an attractive alternative to starting a business from scratch. Franchises offer the benefit of a proven business model, established brand recognition, and ongoing support from the franchisor. However, acquiring a franchise often requires a significant upfront investment. These loans are specifically designed to help entrepreneurs finance the purchase of a franchise, covering expenses such as franchise fees, equipment costs, and initial operating expenses. Before taking out a franchise loan, it's essential to thoroughly research the franchise opportunity, understand the terms of the franchise agreement, and have a solid business plan in place. For the right entrepreneur, franchise loans can be a pathway to business ownership and financial success. Investing in land can be a lucrative long-term wealth-building strategy. Land is a finite resource, and its value tends to appreciate over time, especially in desirable locations. However, purchasing land often requires a substantial capital outlay. Land loans are specifically designed to finance the purchase of vacant land. Before taking out a land loan, it's crucial to carefully research the location, zoning regulations, and potential uses for the land. Factors such as accessibility, utilities, and proximity to amenities can all impact the value and development potential of the land. For businesses in industries driven by innovation, research and development, or R&D, are essential for staying ahead of the curve and developing new products or processes. However, R&D activities can be capital-intensive and time-consuming, often requiring specialized equipment, skilled personnel, and significant financial resources. R&D loans are designed to provide businesses with the funding they need to support their R&D efforts. These loans can be used to cover a wide range of expenses, including salaries for researchers and engineers, laboratory equipment, and patent filings. While R&D investments can lead to groundbreaking innovations and significant competitive advantages, they also come with inherent risks. It's crucial to have a well-defined R&D strategy, a clear understanding of the market opportunity, and a realistic assessment of the risks involved. And there you have it, 15 smart ways to use debt to potentially grow your wealth. The key is to be strategic, disciplined, and to always prioritize your long-term financial well-being. Before taking on any type of debt, it's crucial to carefully assess your risk tolerance, understand the terms of the loan agreement, and have a solid plan for repayment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips and strategies. See you in the next video.